Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dubuque, local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distances can prove to be an uphill task. If you're looking to move a long distance from Dubuque, Iowa, then 3 Movers is the ideal moving company. Our movers offer full service long distance moves across the country. We have a team of moving experts who are knowledgeable in all moving services that you may require. From packing and unpacking to loading and offloading, we are the go to guys. When you choose our moving companies or move with us, we'll ensure that all your items, be they household or commercial items, are handled professionally. We also offer specialty moving services for delicate and expensive items to ensure their safety during handling. Since our inception over 20 years ago, 3 Movers has specialized in local moves. Any moves that are interstate within the same city or within a radius of 100 miles are what we consider local moves. If you're moving within this city or to any city within Iowa, our local movers are offering full service local moves at competitive prices. No matter the size of your move, we take all of your local moves very seriously. From commercial to domestic moves, our moving personnel are trained to handle each move with great care. Our local moving services are priced in a transparent manner, following a professional in-house estimate. If you have a local move coming up, contact us and talk to our professional moving staff. We shall offer you a moving package based on the distance of your local move, as well as the moving services that you require. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Dubuque moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.